What if I told you that financial failure rarely happens because of one big mistake? Most people imagine financial disaster as losing a job, making a terrible investment, or facing a sudden emergency. But the truth is much more uncomfortable. Financial success is usually destroyed by small habits. Silent habits. The kind you repeat every day without even noticing. And that's exactly why they're so dangerous. Right now, millions of Americans are working hard, earning paychecks, and doing what they believe they're supposed to do. Yet many still feel trapped. They feel like they're running on a treadmill that keeps moving faster no matter how hard they run. Sound familiar? Here's a strange question. Have you ever opened your banking app, looked at your balance, and immediately closed it like it was a horror movie? You're not alone. The scary part is that most financial struggles don't begin in your bank account. They begin in your daily habits. And unless you recognize them, they quietly steal your future one decision at a time. Today we're uncovering the silent habits that destroy financial success, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Because your future wealth may depend on what you do after watching this video. The first silent habit is living without a plan. Many people know exactly what they're doing this weekend. But ask them where they want to be financially 5 years from now, and suddenly the room gets quiet. Money without direction tends to disappear. When there's no plan, every purchase feels justified. Every expense seems reasonable. And before you know it, years have passed without meaningful progress. The second habit is confusing income with wealth. A lot of people believe earning more money automatically solves financial problems. But history proves otherwise. Professional athletes, celebrities, and even lottery winners have gone broke despite making millions. Why? Because wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. Here's a quick reality check. If a person earning $60,000 saves consistently while someone earning $150,000 spends everything they make, who wins in the long run? Exactly. The saver. The third habit is lifestyle inflation. This one is incredibly sneaky. You get a raise. You upgrade your car. You get another raise. You upgrade your apartment. Then your phone. Then your vacations. Then your subscriptions. Suddenly you're making more money than ever but somehow feel just as broke. Funny how that works, right? Many people don't have an income problem. They have a spending problem disguised as success. The fourth habit is delaying financial education. Most people spend years learning how to earn money. Very few spend time learning how money actually works. Investing, saving, compound growth, debt management. These topics can literally change someone's life. Yet many people avoid them because they seem boring or complicated. But here's the truth. Ignoring financial education doesn't make money problems disappear. It just makes them more expensive later. The fifth habit is seeking comfort over growth. Success often requires temporary discomfort. Learning a new skill. Starting a side business. Taking calculated risks. Working on weekends. Doing things that aren't immediately fun. But many people choose short-term comfort instead. And while comfort feels good today, it can become incredibly expensive tomorrow. Think about it. The life you want usually exists just outside your comfort zone. The sixth habit is constantly comparing yourself to others. Social media has made this worse than ever. People compare their behind-the-scenes struggles to someone else's highlight reel. The result? Stress, impulse spending, poor decisions, and unnecessary pressure. Someone buys a luxury car. You feel like you need one too. Someone posts vacation photos. Now you're booking a trip you can't afford. Financial success becomes nearly impossible when your decisions are controlled by other people's lifestyles. Act 3, the turning point. Here's the good news. The same way small habits can destroy financial success, small habits can also create it. Financially successful people aren't necessarily smarter. They aren't necessarily luckier. They simply develop habits that work for them instead of against them. They spend less than they earn. They invest in themselves. They learn continuously. They think long term. And perhaps most importantly, they understand that financial success is not built overnight. It's built one decision at a time, one habit at a time, one day at a time. Imagine where your life could be a year from now if you replaced just one bad financial habit with a good one. Now imagine 5 years. Or 10. That's the power of consistent action. Most people wait for a life-changing opportunity. But financial success usually comes from life-changing habits. The habits you choose today are quietly creating the future you'll live tomorrow. So the real question isn't whether you're capable of financial success. The real question is this: what habits are you practicing every single day? Because whether you realize it or not, those habits are shaping your financial future right now. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on money, success, and building a better future, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And remember, your financial future isn't decided by one big moment. It's decided by the small choices nobody notices, including you.